What's going on, guys? eBibs here, Mr. Remote Life. So I got a good one for you today. We are assembling the Little Seeds Monarch Hill dresser. So if you are looking at this piece or looking for a good piece, and I'm gonna show you a good secret on how you can use this in your home, even if you don't have kids. So stay tuned, stick around, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna get it going. Let's go. All right, guys, well, you seen the thumbnail, you seen the intro, you seen what we're doing today, so let's go ahead and get it rocking. So here's the rundown. We're gonna do the whole time-lapse thing. I'm gonna talk over it. So all we're gonna do is let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed, lined up on the wall, and let's go from there. Let's do it.
All right, guys, like always, here's a quick overview of all the parts that we have laid out. You always wanna lay out all your parts, make sure you have everything listed. This is one package that actually has, you have your carcass for your nightstand, and you have 3 drawers that we're going to be building. So you have to build all that together. One thing we did change is we're not using the provided drawer slides. Those are not soft close. So we actually are doing some aftermarket soft close drawer slides. They're linked in the description below, some Amazon finds. As you can tell here, I am marking out measurements in the carcass sidewalls to where we're going to be mounting the drawer slide connector. So one thing, just a quick spoiler alert, I'm actually making a mess right now. So these carcass walls actually have predefined lines. As you can tell, I'm actually drawing lines and making new lines and everything for these drawer spaces, for these drawer glides, actually, instead of using the predefined holes that come from the factory. Well, as we continue to build this carcass out together, you will come to find out and see that, yeah, I'm pretty much jacking this thing up as we're going. And it's something that you won't really realize that you messed up until you start putting the drawers in. So I'll alert you that once we get to that, but right now we're putting the feet on it. So this is really a straightforward kind of setup, and believe it or not, the directions are actually pretty good. They have words in the directions, which is a good thing. But to me, this dresser works a lot better with soft close drawers, number one. Number two, and you don't get the with the provided drawer slides or drawer glides that comes with it. The drawer doesn't naturally close unless you push evenly from the middle. And who grabs the drawer from the middle every time? So yeah, so you get like the rocking effect to where one side goes in faster than the other side, especially after you put a little weight in the drawers. So this is what we're trying to avoid by changing out and upgrading the drawer slides. So we get that soft close feature and we lose the rocking effect. So it glides in a lot smoother. The drawer, it kind of enhances the functionality of the drawers. So it's not just all about the soft close, which is a very nice feature to have, but we also want to make sure that it's functioning the right way. So here I am assembling the drawer, the first drawer. And you got to put that, make sure you are mounting the support piece, and that's because it's really just particle board and thin wood. So this is not like the highest quality dresser. I'm not even gonna tell you that because it's a kid's dresser, guys. But this thing makes a nice piece for your home, especially as a nightstand, as you will see. Another spoiler alert, boom. We actually are going to be using this as a nightstand, but as you can see here, the drawer does not close or seat in the right direction. So what I'm doing now is I just noticed that I had a major gap at the bottom, and now the drawer is actually sitting at the top. So it's actually hitting the front of the dresser, and we have to address that. So what I'm actually doing now is moving the drawer slides down to the original holes that were marked by the manufacturer. So in doing that, I have to move all 6 slides or 6 slides to the factory holes. So we're losing a lot of time. As you can tell, it's gotten dark. So this should have been this is more of a 30-minute build, but it turned into a 3-hour build because I had to undo a lot of things and then go back and redo stuff. And that's just trial and error. But I get to save you time because you're watching this video. And thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We got more builds coming your way. And we are constantly trying to make things better for the better. So here I am still working on moving those drawers around, making sure that that's all squared up. And also you want to make sure, just a side note, you see the little level I put on top of it. You want to make sure these drawer slides are going in level. The reason being, if you don't have the drawer slides because they are not the standard slide, there's actually an upgraded slide that comes with the drawer, or that we're building onto the cabinet. Your drawer won't fit flush against the back of it. So if you don't, I don't know the best way to show you, but I can just tell you, if your drawer is tilting up or tilting down, it's either going to slide out or slide in inappropriately, and then you just won't have the proper spacing. So you always want to make sure that you're using a smaller level out each one of your drawers. And then since you're using the custom holes, you can still use those same holes that were predefined or predetermined by the manufacturer. And as you can tell, after moving those holes and using those original holes, boom, it just slides in, and it slides in well, and everything lines up. So here I am building out that third drawer. And once we do that, all that's left is a test fit. And then we're going to add some more hardware to it, a little bit of jewelry. As the ladies would love, these have the lucite pulls and brass. They got a little help from the general contractor there in his blue uniform coming in telling me orders. So once he's out of the way, we can test fit our third drawer just to see. All right, it goes in, if it finally goes in. And I think we have a loose pull. Yeah, so that's what happened there. We had a loose pull, and we had to go back in and fix that. Or we had a bent pull. I think that's what it was. It was a bent pull, and we had to replace it with another one. So once we had that fixed, it's just a lot of troubleshooting, trial and error. Once we have that fixed, everything is all lined up. So now we can just add those lucite pulls, and this thing is ready to rock, man.
This is it. This is the, what did we build? Little Seeds. So this is a Little Seeds desk. As you can see, we are actually using this thing as a nightstand. It's perfect. This is actually a toddler desk. That's why it has the little cheapy. I know you guys saw me tapping in the little cheapy holders or whatever for the drawers, but that's what it is. It's not like the best furniture out there, but for a nightstand, this is what you want, because it's gonna give you that luxe girth and that massive nightstand space beside your bed. So I hope you learned something. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, subscribe. But until next time, guys, we are out of here. Peace.